Get ready for a year of exciting updates and unbeatable value with FolderWorks and EPoly. In December, we're sending you our 2024 marketing kit that has important information for the coming year. Inside an EPoly Polyweave zip bag, you will find our brand new comprehensive catalog, company updates, and 2024 pricing information. At FolderWorks, we've worked hard to maintain competitive pricing. Necessary price increases have been minimized in order to maintain affordability while consistently delivering the best folder experience. EPoly has completely removed the setup fee charge for one-color imprint. We've also restructured pricing and grouped products that complement each other. It's a leap forward in efficiency, saving you valuable time and resources. FolderWorks and EPoly offer the best folder experience in the industry, so you can leave your best impression effortlessly. Your kit will be arriving in December, and we can't wait for you to dive in.